Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. I know you have a lot of questions after I posted the engagement story क्योंकि Q&A वीडियो करके 6 महीने हो गए थे. So today I'm going to answer few of your interesting questions. Before starting the video, like, share, please subscribe and follow us on Instagram @hungerplans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. So let me introduce myself again because बहुत सारे नए subscribers हैं on the channel. My name is Akansha Prakash Tarfe. I am a Maharashtrian and I live in Mumbai. My age is 26. I'm a biomedical engineer turned chef. And now let's get back to your questions. Obviously बहुत सारे questions यही थे कि engagement vlog कब आएगा. So थोड़ा इधर उधर है vlog तो it will take time. Mostly next week और next week के end तक तो आ जाएगा. Second most question मेरे मतलब who is your fiance and यही सब था. So that video I think I will make with him only because he's not camera मतलब camera friendly नहीं है वो इतना. So it will take time for him. जब भी he's ready we'll make a vlog together, I mean a video together. And और एक question बहुत ज़्यादा आए थे कि if I will be making videos after my marriage, of course I'll be making videos. What are you saying? This is like a lifeline for me, so I can never stop making videos. So be sure. Now, so ये भी comment कर लो कि please put up a video with fiance because he reads everything. So वो भी आएगा वीडियो में. The first question, okay, ये भी बहुत questions आए थे कि what do I do with the busted hacks? This question is from Sumaya Nazim. My question is that the food hack which is busted in your trying food hack videos, what do you do with the food? मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि I hate wasting food, so we don't throw anything, we use it in something or the other. उसमें कुछ कम ज़्यादा हो तो we use it. एकदम ही unedible है तो yes, unfortunately I have to throw it. Like example देती हूँ वो skillets वाला waffle में किया था, that was legit unedible, so वो तो फेंकना ही पड़ा था. एंड अगर कोई रेसिपी फेल हो जाती है तो ऑफकोर्स आई एड समथिंग टू इट या वो किसी और चीज़ में यूज़ करके हम खा जाते हैं और मैं नहीं तो अद्वैत है ही खाने के लिए. सो येस दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम हियर. द नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम जे सिद्धार्थ. हैव यू एवर मेट सम फेमस यूट्यूबर? एक्चुअली आई हैव मेट ओनली वन यूट्यूबर, वो भी बहुत साल पहले जब भी मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल था भी नहीं एंड मेरे को कुकिंग भी नहीं आती थी. मतलब सोचो इट वॉज लॉन्ग बैक इन 2014 और 15. आई मेट प्राजक्ता कोहली दैट इज मोस्टली सेन अंधेरी में उसके ऑफिस के यहाँ पे. शी वाज रियली वेरी वेरी स्वीट. उसके आई थिंक तभी यूट्यूब जस्ट बहुत लोगों को पता चल रहा था, मुझे भी नहीं पता था ज़्यादा यूट्यूब, तो मैं सिर्फ उसको ही देखती थी तब मेजरली. एंड शी वॉज जस्ट स्टैंडिंग ऐसे रैंडमली रोड पे. आई थिंक शी वॉज शूटिंग फॉर समथिंग और आई डोंट नो वॉट शी वॉज डूइंग एंड लोग उसको घेर के इतना खड़े थे, बाप रे. बट शी वॉज सो स्वीट कि वो सबको इंडिविजुअली शी वॉज talking to them, she was hugging everyone, so it was really sweet. She is amazing person. Now let's move on to the next question, which is from Sunishka Agarwal. Hello Dee, love your videos. Just wanted to ask that who was your inspiration for joining YouTube? Okay, this question मैंने last Q&A में बहुत अच्छे से मेरा journey, like the whole YouTube journey, why I started this channel, how did I come up with the name Hunger Plans, everything is mentioned, even my detailed education, education मैंने क्या किया, how did I become a chef from a biomedical engineer, ये सब explain करा हुआ है, so please go and watch that. The next question she asked is when can we expect collabs with Chahat Anand etc. Okay, so about collaborations, I have messaged a lot of YouTubers to be honest, and किसी ने reply back किया नहीं. So yes, जब भी reply आ जाएगा, you can, you will get a collab. And if you really want me to collaborate with someone, please उनके उनके पेज पे जाके उनके comment sections में डाल दो कि collaborate with Hunger Plans. That would make them know कि हाँ there is something known as Hunger Plans. So yes, please do that. The next question is from Art Attack. Can you conduct some more giveaways? Okay, so I feel giveaways are meant for some special occasions या milestones. So yes, 200k complete होगा. I hope it's very soon. I'll conduct a giveaway. And अगर Instagram पे, then it will be after 10k. So please subscribe and follow us on Instagram as well. The next question is from Bhavi Jain. Which is your favorite dish which your mom makes? So I also got a lot of questions that if I'm a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. So I'm a non-vegetarian and my mom makes the amazing fried fish and also the fish curry. We call it machicha kalvan. Kalvan, right? Yeah, we call it machicha kalvan. She makes it, it is so flavorful and so good. I don't know what magic she uses, but मेरा वैसे कभी नहीं बन पाता. So yes, really amazing. So that's my favorite dish. The next question is from Saiful Islam. What's your goal in 2022? Fan from Bangladesh. Thank you. So actually not just for 2022 but goal in general. Like life में मेरा यही goal है to work really hard and make my parents proud. You know, I want them to be very happy and not just my parents. अभी तो मेरा fiance and my entire family. So I want them to, you know, be very proud of me and to be very happy. So yeah, and the next question is from Ketki's Art. Do you love 5-minute crafts recipe? Yes, sometimes they're good, sometimes they're actually fake, but yeah, mostly मेरे को तो अच्छे ही आए हैं. The next question is from Sana Tasneem. Your 10th class percentage, so I got 85%. The next question is from Sheila Snehi. When is your wedding? We really want to know. Okay, so about the wedding date, अभी तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगी बट हिंट देती हूँ कि मे बी फ्यू मंथ्स. अबाउट वेडिंग व्लॉग ऑफकोर्स मैं वेडिंग व्लॉग बनाऊँगी एंड एंगेजमेंट में थोड़ा व्लॉग वॉज मेसी बिकॉज मुझे भी आदत नहीं है व्लॉगिंग की और अद्वैत को भी नहीं है. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू यू नो लर्न व्लॉगिंग और तभी तक आई गेस हम लोग हो जाएंगे ठीक ठाक व्लॉगिंग कर लेंगे. सो पूरा डिटेल में यू विल गेट द वीडियो, आई प्रॉमिस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वीडियो बोल रही हूँ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is sent by Shravya Shri. Where do you buy the baking essentials like electric beater? Electric beater तो मैंने online मंगाया था. Which brand of cheese, chocolate or vanilla extract do you use? Cheese I use Amul का. Then chocolate I use chocolate compound which is from Morday. And vanilla extract I use vanilla essence more and that is from Ajanta. Do you have any other professional job? ये भी मैंने बताया है. So please watch that video. I will add the link in the description और I button पे आपको मिल जाएगा. The next question is from Kanchana Pandey. What was your percentage in 12th standard? Okay, 12th में I got 72%. And which stream you did take? I took science. PCM भी लिया था मैंने. The next question is from Kurat Ulan. Do you get hate comments? So if yes, then how do you deal with it? So hate comments luckily बहुत कम आते हैं. I get negative comments. And अगर गाली या कुछ है so I delete them. But if they are giving me a negative feedback, I work on it and try to make a good video. And yeah, I try to ignore them mostly. Now the next question is from Gabriella and Jonathan. What is your favorite type of video to create? So video, I guess I enjoy making recipe videos and challenge videos more. क्योंकि उसमें आई एम वेरी क्रिएटिव. लाइक चैलेंज वीडियोज़ में आई थिंक मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा क्रिएटिविटी बाहर आता है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल रेनबो चैलेंज. लाइक आई कुड नेवर थिंक कि मैं नॉर्मली रेनबो बर्गर कहीं देखा है या मैं खाऊंगी. बट ड्यू टू दैट चैलेंज आई गॉट सो क्रिएटिव कि मैं कुछ वैसा डिफ़िकल्ट और यूनिक बना पाई. And recipes, so of course I work really hard to come up with some unique recipes. So they are my favorite. Hack also मेरे को मज़ा आता है बनाने, but obviously वो तो किसी और का देख के मेरे को टेस्ट करना पड़ता है. So there is no creativity. There is hard work, but there's no much of creativity there. The next is your favorite recipe you ever made. Chicken angara. I really love chicken angara. I don't know why. The next question is from Harshi Mehta. It's actually not a question but a request. Can you please start food blogging, like going out and discovering foods like street food or something like that in short versions? Okay, so a lot of requests about food blogging, so I really enjoy it. But सच बोलूँ तो मैं बहुत shy हूँ और लोगों के सामने vlog करने को मुझे और ज़्यादा शर्म आती है. I really tried hard during the Christmas video. वो पहला था जब मैंने actually public में vlog ऐसे कैमरा लेके ऐसे vlog किया. So आदत डाल रही हूँ, तो if I'm comfortable, I will really start doing that as well. क्योंकि मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है to explore new things, to explore new street food, try some weird stuff. So if I am comfortable, I will definitely do that. एंड ऑल्सो लेट मी नो इफ यू वांट टू सी सच कंटेंट. तो अगर आप लोग मुझे मोटिवेट करोगे, आई विल डेफिनेटली मेक दैट टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम नानीज आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट. हु इज योर फेवरेट यूट्यूबर इन कुकिंग? ओके, अगेन जब मुझे पता भी नहीं था यूट्यूब क्या होता है, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने ऐसे यूट्यूब पे क्लिक किया, द फर्स्ट वीडियो आई सॉ वाज मधुरा's किचन एंड इट वाज चपाती नूडल्स, लाइक लेफ्ट ओवर चपाती नूडल्स. चपाती इज रोटी. एंड आई ट्राइड इट. तभी मुझे कुकिंग, मतलब मैं सिर्फ बेक करती थी, केक बनाती थी एंड नथिंग एल्स, कुकिंग नहीं करती थी. सिर्फ एक बार वो भिंडी का सब्जी बनाया था जो फेल था, एंड दिस वॉज द सेकेंड या थर्ड थिंग आई मेड, लाइक द chapati noodles, I'm sorry, and it came out really good. It was so tasty. तभी से मैंने उसके चैनल पे जाके I tried a lot of stuff, a lot of recipes, and yeah, so basically I think she is my favorite. क्योंकि ऐसा होता है ना कि जो फर्स्ट रहता है वो फेवरेट रहता है. अभी तो मैं कुकिंग चैनल्स इतने देखती नहीं हूँ. I watch a lot of vlogs, so yeah, I think Madhura's recipe. The next question is from Rishima Sahai. Had you ever thought of leaving YouTube? Never ever. मतलब, to be honest, I'm addicted to walking and especially YouTube. It is a different space for me. मैं बहुत बार बोलती हूँ, it makes me very creative and I really like that आकांक्षा जो काम में रहती है, या who is very creative, who is hard working. So I can never think my life now without YouTube or without working. So never. The next is from Mohit, the recipe king. Would you like to have a pet in your house? If yes, then which? I love dogs और मुझे बचपन से एक पेट चाहिए था, but my mom is really scared of dogs and now my fiance is scared of dogs, so that's not possible. Breaks my heart, but ठीक है. The next question थोड़ा बड़ा है. It's from Dev Prakash Patel. You make a lot of dishes for one video, that too is time taking. Then how you manage to do YouTube stuff plus extra? And also then what about your regular meals? I mean, I think no one can try different dishes and eat them as lunch or dinner. Some may like, some may not. So how do you manage all this? Raw materials and all this stuff won't be much expensive for you. Hope you understood my question. So yes, बहुत लंबा questions. Basically she is asking कि मैं कैसे manage करती हूँ short में. And is it expensive? Yes, sometimes it is expensive. Some recipes के लिए, क्योंकि hacks तो जो 5 minute crafts वाले यूज़ करते हैं वो mostly सामान foreign का रहता है, so I have to get it from a supermarket only, so it gets expensive. And normal videos, recipes, I तो try कितना locally I can buy because I like to support local stuff as well, so I buy it from there. And how I manage? Honestly, I suck at managing. मैं बहुत सच बोल रही हूँ. I cannot manage stuff. Lunch और dinner my parents make, but other than that, अगर recipes हम कर रहे हैं या hacks समझ लो, 6 we do. So हम लोग वही बीच बीच में खाते रहते हैं. And अगर recipes है तो थोड़ा सुबह we eat, थोड़ा शाम थोड़ा बच गया तो next day also we use. So nothing goes in waste, but सब use कर लेते हैं. And time management का बात करूँ, manage करने का, तो वो I'm the wrong person to ask because I suck at it. Simple. Now the next question. How will you manage both ससुराल and YouTube? ये तो मैं भी सोच रही हूँ. So अगर आपके पास कोई tips है तो लिख दो comments में, मैं भी सीख लूँगी थोड़ा. The next question is from Pallavi Prashant. Akansha, you just inspire us by your interesting food. I want your engagement vlog. Thank you so much. I always wanted this. I always wanted to inspire as much as people as I can. So this makes me really happy. And engagement vlog का मैंने बोला है next week तक I'll try my best. Next question is from Mannat. Who wash all the utensils? So पहले my mom used to wash, so thank you. But now अभी मैं ही बर्तन धोती हूँ. And कभी-कभी अदरक भी धोता है. So thank you. The next question is from Pragati Verma. Do you face difficulty off screen to manage all things like cleaning? Also because trying recipes is way more harder than daily cooking. I am so glad that people know that it's hard. क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है हाँ रेसिपी वीडियो है आधे घंटे में, क्योंकि बहुत लोग ने मुझे बोला है कि हाँ रेसिपी वीडियो बनाना आधे घंटा तो लगेगा, बट नो, it takes for one video, it takes us 3.5 days to make that. from the entire process, cooking से लेके shooting से लेके editing. So yes, it takes 3.5 days to 4 days to make one video. So a very nice question, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा ये पढ़ के. It is difficult off screen क्योंकि मैं बहुत messy हूँ. I am very messy और cleaning तो I have to learn how to do that. But अभी I am, मतलब मैं करती हूँ थोड़ा. So yes, I'm trying to manage everything from cleaning to being not messy. So yes. The next question is from Drishti Singh. How many international countries have you visited? None. मेरे पास passport भी नहीं है, so none. I want to travel a lot. पहले passport बनाऊंगी, फिर I'll travel. Question is from Alishba Wagar. घर में सबसे ज़्यादा डांट किसको पड़ती है? By the sending lots of love from Pakistan. Thank you. अगर मुझसे डांट बोल रहे हो तो अद्वैत को ही पड़ती है, बहुत डांटती हूँ मैं उसको. आई फील सो बैड बट ही अंडरस्टैंड्स मी वेरी वेल, तो कुछ बोलता नहीं है. और अगर मॉम डैड से बात कर रहे हो तो मुझे ही पड़ती है सबसे ज़्यादा डांट. सो या नाउ आई ऑल्सो पुट अप स्टोरी इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो वहाँ से भी थोड़े क्वेश्चंस है. वहाँ से तो मोस्टली सब रिपीटेड थे. दीज आर सम unique questions, so I've chose them. So the first question from Instagram is, do you still find cooking your favorite hobby? Of course. मतलब I don't know क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि it won't be my favorite hobby. उसी के वजह से I am here and I will be forever grateful and it will be my favorite hobby end तक. The next question is, what if you never started YouTube? What was your career choice? So before YouTube, I was working in a hotel. मैं उसके बेकरी में काम करती थी. And when I started YouTube, तभी मैं I was also working as a I was working at the back kitchen of a studio. So कहीं ना कहीं से मेरा shooting से ही related काम था. So yes, अगर YouTube नहीं होता तो I would still be in the back kitchen and I used to enjoy there a lot. So वहीं पे मैं काम कर लेती. The next is from Niharika. How do you feel of having less subscribers even after doing so much of hard work? So first of all, I don't think we have less subscribers क्योंकि मैं numbers या money के पीछे नहीं हूँ. I really want to inspire people. As I said in the previous जो question आया था, I really want to inspire people and उनको बोलना चाहती हूँ कि try as much as you can, be creative as much as you can, work really hard and not go behind numbers or don't go behind money. But if that comes along, then yeah, well and good. But if not, then don't crib and sit, ऐसे. Just work hard is what I want to say and be consistent as much as possible. So नहीं कम subscribers है ठीक है, but I'm happy that my family is very loyal. मतलब I feel connected to them, so that is more important than numbers. So yeah, but a very good question. The next question is from Sia Dubaria. Are you an introvert or extrovert? I am an introvert. Hard to believe, but I am. मैं बहुत बार बोलती भी हूँ, मेरे को लोगों के सामने मेरा मुंह नहीं खुलता, मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पाती हूँ. अभी तो कैमरा फ्रेंडली मैं हो गई हूँ थोड़ी सी. लेट मी नो अगर मैं हो गई हूँ. फर्स्ट वीडियो जो फेस रिवील वाला था और अभी का, बट पहले तो मैं फोटोज भी नहीं लेती थी. सो यस, इंट्रोवर्ट. The next question is by Rupali Kadam. Are you planning for a studio room? Okay, so this is a surprise. मैं ये start में ही बोलना चाहती थी but मैं actually भूल गई. So finally, we have our own studio now and थोड़ा it's mess क्योंकि engagement. उसके पहले we were shifting. So it's everywhere. You want a studio tour? I will give it, but थोड़ा time लगेगा to set it up, like a month or a 2. But we finally have our own space. It has made us थोड़ा सा free, थोड़ा अभी easily काम चल रहा है, थोड़ा workflow has gotten better. And now that I have my own studio, like our own studio, I have also planned on increasing our team. We have one new member who is Maithili, and in the egg hacks वाला video also it was her hand. बहुत लोगों ने guess कर लिया था कि किसी और का हाथ है, तो yes, it was her. And I am training her and teaching her how to make videos because of course अभी wedding होगा and उसमें मैं busy हो जाऊँगी. But don't worry, I will be connected to you. ये कभी नहीं जाएगा. I will be present there, but shoot वो करेगी. like not all videos but kuch videos. So yes, finally a new studio and a new member, so excited max. Okay, so we are done with all the questions. Quite a few interesting questions and I had fun answering them. Let me know what you think about them. If you think I didn't answer your questions, तो वो मैंने पहले 2 Q&As में आंसर कर लिए होंगे या वो रिपीटेड होंगे. So basically my year end, that is 2021 year end का life update was I am engaged, we have a studio, we have a new team member, and I'm very grateful to you all that we are here, and I would love to make more interesting content. So let me know what you want to see on our channel. I would try my best. जो आपको चाहिए वो मैं देती रहूँ. And yeah, let's wrap up with the video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.